Human, human.
Artificial intelligence has been getting an enormous measures of acknowledgement. The term AI is continually tossed around. However, not every person really comprehends what it is.
We are here to break it down for you.
Have you seen YouTube suggesting videos? Have you ever asked Siri the temperature? Then at that point you have interacted with an AI. Well, let's see what is an AI. In simple words, artificial intelligence is a machine with the ability to solve problems, which usually are performed by the humans using our natural intelligence. AI is used to build agents or robots which can replicate human behavior, and it can also make decisions on our behalf.
Well, the field of AI research was founded at a workshop held on the campus of Dartmouth College during the summer of 1956. John McCarthy is one of the founding fathers of artificial intelligence, together with Alan Turing, Marvin Minsky, Alan Nebel, and Herbert A. Simon. McCarthy was the one who coined the term artificial intelligence in 1955 and organized the famous Dartmouth Conference in summer 1956. This conference actually started AI as a field.
Let's see the most popular AI adoptions. Machine learning. Giving a computer system the ability to learn using statistical data to become more reliable and efficient. Also, online personalized recommendation based on your previous purchases like in YouTube.
Natural language processing. Building a machinery system that can understand and interpret natural human languages. We have seen Siri, Cortana, and Alexa. They can understand human languages and also can respond. Knowledge management. Receiving an organization's intangible information and converting it into tangible assets. It simply means that data storages use AI to provide data selection, analysis, and classification in tools such as Google Drive, iCloud, and OpenDrive. Pattern recognition. This process which trains our machine to recognize an image exactly like a human based on a particular pattern. Well, that you may find on your smartphones which can identify people's faces.
So now we know what AI is. Let's check some amazing yet scary facts. Most AI BOTs are female. No wonder if you ask Siri, Alexa, Cortana, or your bank voice assistant a question, most likely you'll be answered by a pleasant and polite woman voice. And what's the reason? Studies shows that males and females are more attracted to a woman's voice than males. That's why we're having a female BOT over here.
Anyway, I'm not BOT. However, it's been predicted by the year 2025 we may find pet BOTs.
AI can read your mind. Yes. A new methodology has been developed by the robotics that can create an image of your thoughts using fMRI scanner. The AI is designed to construct an image from your brain and compare it with other pictures received from the volunteers. Seems very interesting, right?
Moreover, it's been predicted that AI is estimated to kill 6% of jobs by 2021. Even the AIs have nationalities and passports. You might have heard about Sophia the humanoid has gained guaranteed citizenship of Saudi Arabia. The main purpose of AI is for humans to have a machine that thinks faster and more efficiently. But the question becomes, in the process, will machines take over our world? Will it help us reach our highest potential or destroy us in the process? Let us know what your thoughts are.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video,
Subscribe for more.